Ever pondered about the intricacies of the political systems and electoral processes of Pakistan and India? Both nations operate under a parliamentary democratic system, with the president as the head of state and the prime minister as the head of government. But while the structure is similar, the roles of the president do vary. In Pakistan, the president's role is more ceremonial, while in India, the president holds a few executive powers. In essence, both nations share a similar political structure, although the roles of the president vary. Let's delve into the electoral processes of these South Asian rivals. Both Pakistan and India embrace a multi-party system, a testament to their democratic principles. In both countries, general elections play a crucial role. They elect members who will occupy seats in their respective houses, be it Pakistan's National Assembly and Senate, or India's Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The leader of the majority party in the lower house usually ascends to the role of prime minister. This is a commonality between the two nations, however the similarities end here. The electoral processes, while seemingly identical, are shaped differently by the political landscapes, party dynamics, and historical contexts. The backbone of any nation, its constitution, also presents an interesting comparison. Pakistan's constitution, adopted in 1973, has seen several amendments over the years. On the other hand, India's constitution was adopted much earlier in 1950 and has also undergone numerous amendments. These documents, though similar in structure, have been shaped and reshaped by their respective nations' unique histories and cultures. Despite their similar frameworks, the political and electoral systems of Pakistan and India have evolved in their unique ways, reflecting their respective historical and cultural contexts. So, how do these two political systems and electoral processes compare? Both Pakistan and India operate under a parliamentary democratic system with a multi-party electoral process. Yet, their political landscapes and historical contexts shape their governance uniquely. In a nutshell, while having similar foundations, these systems mirror the distinct political dynamics and historical narratives of these two nations.